How are you? Si Whitney. Ayan. Sumusobra ng pet ni Whitney. Kaya ayan, tingnan mo, Ano, nagugutom ka na ba, Whitney? See? Ayan, sumusobra pet kasi dami na pinadedede Pumayat ng gusto. Kasi dito wala kasing bakalan ng para sa mga hayop. No pet food here. And the place of the store is far away from here, around 2 hours travel before you are to reach the place of the store. See? Hi! Hello! Eid Mubarak! Ayan, see? Nagugutom na yan, kaya ganyan. She hungry now. So, see? Long time. Ano na? Kamusta na yung baby mo? Ha? Malalaki na ba baby mo? Ha? Malalaki na siguro yung anak niyan. Kasi medyo slimmy na siya nagugutom ka na. Sandali, kukunin ko na yung food mo, ha? Just a minute, ha? Okay? I'll take your food, ha? Okay? See? Nagugutom na siya. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. So, I will send you more videos to come. And please like and share and comment also. And give a subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.